What's up guys, this is Aftab and today in this video we will be unboxing the all new Oppo Find X8. So I pre-ordered this in the first sale from the official Oppo website. So as you can see, on pre-ordering I got a hamper or a gift along with the smartphone. So let me quickly unbox this hamper and see what all accessories and gifts we have inside. So first let us confirm that we have the exact phone that we have ordered, which is in black, 512 GB, and it's the exact same thing that what we have ordered. So this is the hamper that we have received from Oppo on pre-ordering. It says Find X8 series. This is the bill, and the first thing, as you can see, is a Type A to Type C cable, which is the official Oppo cable, and we have the Oppo Encore Air 3 Pro, which is a wireless Bluetooth earphone, and we also have a 80-watt car charger that we can use in the car to charge the smartphone. So this is the box that says Oppo AI phone Find X8. The box is a bit different when you compare it with the one that is available in the global market. So let's quickly break the seal and have a look at the phone. So you have a quick start guide, a user manual, and a transparent case, which is not that great. Let's keep this aside for the time being, and this is the phone itself. So as soon as I unwrap the phone, it gives me the vibe of Pixel 9 when I hold the phone, and also somewhat of the iPhone 16 Pro. So let's quickly boot the phone and keep it aside for the time being. And the other accessories that we have in the box is the adapter, which is a 80-watt Super VOOC adapter, and we have a Type A to Type C cable. So you get two cable, one with the phone and one with the as a hamper gift. So you can see that the bezel on this phone is pretty minimal, just as thin as the iPhone 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max. So I'll quickly set up the phone and transfer my data from my OnePlus to this phone, and I'll be making a separate hands-on video for this phone. So if you have any query or questions regarding the phone, you can let me know in the comment section below.